back. It's part 2. We've got Freddie back, the man, the myth, the legend back there. So we're going to be attempting to replace the grill. So in the last video, we were able to replace the headlight, kind of jankily, but it's on there. He did pass inspection, so that was the goal. So we accomplished that. Today he's got the new grill, so we're gonna try to get the old one off and get this new one on. So we got the nice brand new shiny grill, so everybody loves getting new parts. So we got that, and we were looking at just to kind of see like how the old one would come off and the new one would go on. So it looks to be there's just 8 of these Phillips screws. So when we had the old grill peeled back last time, we could see the screws. The problem is just gonna be getting to them, and then like when we actually go to replace it, there's just, it's a tight fit. But we're hoping to be able to do this without taking the bumper off. And the craziest part is, honestly, from a distance, you really can't even tell that it's cracked. So once you get up close to it, then you can kind of see the damaged part. I mean, obviously, like, it sucks that the silver makes it stand out a little more, but as far as like where the black, the mesh of the grill, you really don't even notice it. Well, let's grab some tools. We'll go ahead and get busy getting this old grill off. And it seems like the only thing we need is we'll get a flathead screwdriver, pop those little plastic tabs up, pull them off, and then a Phillips screwdriver to replace these screws. Well, that was easy enough. The screws came out very easy. And then there's just 2, I'm gonna call them like push tabs. And once you actually figure out which way to push them, then it just slides right out. So we'll kind of get in there and show you what I'm talking about. But pretty, very, very, very easy. 8 little screws, those 2 tabs, and she's done. So now we just gotta put it back in, but let's show you the damage. So with the grill out, you can tell now where like the screws actually go to hold it in. The only thing we were kind of concerned with is over here. You see this is part of the bumper, and where it attaches, this part got cracked in the little fender bender. Allegedly. So this part is kind of a little bit messed up, and we'll compare it to this side over here. It's all one solid piece. So it just split on that seam. That seam split right here, but came out pretty easily. Rip, 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 rip. You see the difference between the old grill, she's all busted up, and this area. But these are the push tabs that I was referring to. And so you have to come from underneath, kind of push up and push off the grill. But old versus new. So obviously with them side by side, you can really tell. Of course, I made this one worse trying to get it off, breaking some classic chaos, breaking some stuff. But we'll go ahead and try to get this new one on, and it's gonna be the reverse. We'll just pop it into place, which it should go on, fingers crossed, easier than it did coming off. But pop it into place and then screw everything down. We got our finished product. It fought us just a little bit just because it is hard to get your hand in there and actually turn the screwdriver, but looks much better. There's still a little residual, like where the hood doesn't quite match up like the other side. But honestly, I mean, like, unless you're really looking for it, you wouldn't notice. So she's looking much, much better. So now with that silver down there, it's not cracked anymore. There's no crack in the grill. She's looking clean again. So I appreciate Fred for stopping by. We were able to get it fixed back up, looking good. Yeah, I think we pretty much just, for the headlight, have basically come to the realization that unfortunately with that brand of headlight that we got, It's just a fitment issue, so we're chalking it up as an L, but we got the grill back on. She looks good, and I want to thank everybody for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.